Square roots. Example 1. A parking lot is 40,000 feet squared. What is this length of each side? So to answer this question, let's go over a few things. So our squared root symbol looks something like this, where you have our division symbol with a number inside. Now the question is, what number squared equals the number? So we're asking what number of something will equal 40,000. And so finding the square root is the opposite of finding the square of a number. So let's go back to our example 1, and we're going to use our calculator. So how we do this is we're going to put in 40,000. So we have 40,000 on our calculator, and then on the top right we see this square root symbol. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and click on it, and when we do that, it takes the square root, which is SQRT, and we get 200. So the length of one side is then 200 feet. So our parking lot will look something like this. This is 200 feet wide by 200 feet long. So 200 times 200. So if we were to go and multiply this by 200, we get 40,000, which is our starting number. So we know we did it right. So now let's look at another example. Example 2, part of the garage is rented out per month for 75 cents per square root. What is the length of one side if the space is 256 feet squared? So if it's a perfect square, we can go ahead and put in our number 256, and we'll square root it, and we get 16. So 256 is equal to 16. And this is feet. So let's do one final example. Example 3. Find the square root of 81. So 81, we're taking the square root. So we'll also get our calculators out. We put in our number first, 81, and then we go to the far right corner and we press the square root button, and we get 9. Now, if you're not sure, you can always go ahead and go 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. Therefore, we know we did it right, because the number we're getting, if we were to square it, we'd get our original number.